Third duel of the night. Oh, come on. Ah, come on. First duel I lost. Second duel I won by timeout and disconnect. Third duel. And we doing it on Omega. Back with ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, get in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's look into the rules. Round 1. Dude! Altergeist. Okay. Silk it is. Okay. That's okay. What? Return it to the hand. Okay, that's alright. Because Alpha Tribute Ben 10. Special. Activate effect. I'm gonna go for blue eyes. I'm going straight for the blue eyes. Ben 10. Oh, Ashme. Oh, he has no cards in his hands. It just... I'll save this. I'll save Zeta. Yeah. Midion is DRYTRON. Bruce! Chaos Max Dragon. I need to get Cam on the grave. Kishki Shoken. Blue Eyes Chaos Max Dragon. Oh, look at that. Just even do that. You can go for... What am I gonna get with that? And then attack directly? What? No, I think I'll save that. I'll save it. Battle. Blue Eyes, Chaos Max Dragon. Attack. Altergeist Multi-Faker. That's double piercing. And turn and duel. He's gonna use his effect no matter what. He's gonna try to use his effect. Alpha. Zeta. Special. Activate effect. Ben 10. Maybe on DRYTRON. Decrease the attack. Add to hand. Gamma. Benton. Special. Activate effect. Special from grave. Benton. Natasha. Natasha. Suppression of rights. Activate effect. Target. Chaos max. My opponent can't target, but I can still target it. Go for a Karibo. Then go for Nightmare Phoenix. Nightmare Phoenix. Benton. Pop his face down. Storming Mirror Force. Nice. Good thing I was just about to attack. Turn on. Good thing. That's why he was waiting. Good thing I was just about to attack too. Okay. He's got a lot of back rows, so. Maybe some trolls in there. Put one more for Nibiru. I think Nibiru. Whoa, how come there's no chat? Oh, he probably has his chat off or something. Chat. Oh yeah, he has his chat off. Okay. Oh, he's making me go first. Cool. Probably decided in those hand traps. It's gonna hand trap me. Nova. With the Vanity's Ruler, it's pretty much over, I think. Alpha, treated Alpha. Benton. Nova. Zeta. Karibo. Zeta. Tribute Ben 10. Special. Activate effect. Meteor on DRYTRON. Ben 10 yet. It's gonna I'm just gonna play it safe right now. Oh, he has. Orange light. Maybe on DRYTRON. Ben 10. Preparation of rates. Ben 10 and then. Oh, yes! Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect! That was the third duel. I started off. How much did I start off with? 1283. So I won, I lost 1 and 1. I'm at 1280. That was the third duel. Comment, share, like if you sub if you liked it. See you guys.